So, ayun nga guys, meron tayong mga friends na Indian. Right? Indian. Indian good best friend. So, ngayon guys, meron ako sa kanilang magic. Siyempre, yung token dice natin. Ito guys. Token dice. This name, token dice. Token dice. You put your favorite number in this box, then I tell you what is your number you put in the box, okay? So here. Then after you back to me, then I tell you what is your number, okay? Okay. Ayan guys. Titingnan natin I try to okay. It's okay? Okay. Sure? Okay, give me. Then always shake like that. Shake only. Oh no. Give me. I tell you what you put in the box. Okay? This one is talking dice.
Ginagawa mo.
Talking dice. They tell me what is in the box. Okay? So now, let's see. I shake only, not open. Not open. I think this number is number 1. And talking dice, what? Number 4. Is correct? Huh? Oh, very good. Good.
Yes.
Good. One more time. Ayun guys, nagkagulo sila. Good. Oh, one more time.
No, he's asking that he will find that.
Okay. Okay. Good. One more time. So, ayan guys. Isa pa daw. Baka natsambahan ko lang. Okay? Let me see. Only shake. Guys, pinag-aaralan niya. Pinag-aaralan kung paano makikita yung dice. Ayan. Pinag-aaralan niya. Now. Can we?
Ginagawa mo.
Can we start again? Pinag-aaralan niya. They learn how to... Ano hanap mo dyan? Butike. Now, let's... One more time. Maybe like small... Try again. One more time. Check. Check my hands. It's very fast. Nag-away na sila guys. Hindi nila kasi maintindihan kung paano nakikita. One more time. One more time.
Ginagawa mo.
One more time. Okay. I go. Again. Guys, lumayo na ako sa kanila. Change number, then I tell you. Finish? The talking dice tell me what is the number in the box. Yes. Finish? Let me show you. Okay. Yes. Wait. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Only shake like that. Number. What is number? I think. What? I can hear you. What? I think this number is same. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Same. You do not change. Good. Good. Good.